Let's dive into the fascinating world of hamburger patty production, where precision and care ensure the quality of every bite. Ever wondered how your favorite hamburger patties get to your grill? The journey begins with selecting the perfect cows. Farmers work diligently to choose cows that are healthy and robust, ensuring they meet stringent health and quality standards. These cows are typically raised in spacious environments, where they have access to clean water and high-quality feed. The health of the cattle is closely monitored by veterinarians to prevent diseases and ensure optimal growth. The selection process involves detailed checks to ensure the cows are free from any contaminants or health issues. This stage sets the foundation for the entire production process, as the quality of the meat directly influences the flavor and texture of the hamburger patties. The stakes are high. A single misstep here could jeopardize the entire batch. Once the cows are selected and processed, the next crucial step is assessing the meat quality and choosing the right cuts. This stage is vital in ensuring the final hamburger patties are juicy, flavorful, and meet high consumer expectations. Expert butchers play a key role in this process, meticulously separating the different parts of the cow. Their focus is on selecting cuts that provide the best balance of lean meat and fat, a combination essential for achieving the desired taste and texture in the patties. The assessment begins with a thorough inspection of each cut of meat. Butchers look for any imperfections, such as bruising or excess connective tissue, which could affect the quality of the patties. This careful examination ensures that only the highest quality meat is used in the production process. Each cut is evaluated not just for its appearance but also for its potential to contribute to the overall flavor profile of the hamburger patties. In addition to visual inspection, the meat undergoes various tests to determine its quality. This includes checking the fat content and the ratio of lean meat to fat. The right balance is crucial. Too much fat can make the patties greasy, while too little can result in dry, tough patties. By ensuring the perfect blend, the butchers help create patties that are consistently juicy and flavorful. Once the quality and suitability of the cuts are confirmed, the meat is sorted and prepared for the grinding process. This step is critical because it directly impacts the patty's final taste and texture. High-quality cuts mean better flavor, and consistent quality means every patty will meet consumer expectations. The precision and expertise involved in this stage ensure that the hamburger patties produced are of the highest standard, ready to satisfy discerning consumers. The selected cuts of meat then move to the grinding process. This stage involves grinding the meat to the perfect consistency. The meat is fed into industrial grinders that break it down into fine pieces. During grinding, it's crucial to maintain a low temperature to preserve the meat's quality and prevent any fat from melting. The precision required here ensures that the texture of the patties is just right, not too coarse and not too fine. The ground meat is then inspected again to ensure consistency. This meticulous process guarantees that the patties will be tender and flavorful, setting the stage for the next steps. After grinding, the meat is blended with other ingredients. This step involves adding seasonings, spices, and sometimes additional ingredients like breadcrumbs or onions, depending on the recipe. Large industrial mixers blend these ingredients thoroughly with the ground meat, ensuring even distribution. The exact blend of ingredients can vary, but the goal is always the same: to enhance the meat's natural flavor without overpowering it. This blending process is essential for achieving the desired taste and texture. Consistency is key, as any imbalance can affect the final product's quality. The right blend of ingredients ensures that every bite is flavorful and satisfying. Once the meat mixture is perfectly blended with all the necessary ingredients, it's time to shape it into patties. This process involves using specialized machinery designed to ensure each patty is uniform in size, weight, and thickness. The machinery is meticulously calibrated to achieve this precision, making sure that every patty produced is consistent. This consistency is not just about aesthetics, it plays a crucial role in the cooking process. Uniform patties cook more evenly, which prevents overcooking or undercooking, ensuring that each one is juicy and flavorful. The forming machines work by pressing the meat mixture into molds that shape the patties. These molds are adjustable to create patties of different sizes and weights, depending on the product specifications. This flexibility allows for the production of various types of patties, from quarter pounders to smaller sizes suitable for sliders. Each patty is carefully measured to meet exact standards, which is essential for both quality control and customer satisfaction. Once formed, the patties are inspected to ensure they meet the required specifications. Any patties that do not conform to the standards are removed from the production line and reprocessed. This attention to detail ensures that only the best patties move forward to the next stage of production. The formed patties are then placed on conveyors that transport them to the next phase, which could be flash freezing or immediate packaging depending on the production line setup. Properly formed patties are crucial for providing a consistent and enjoyable eating experience for consumers. They ensure that every bite is as good as the last, delivering the perfect balance of flavor and texture. The precision and care taken during this step are what make high-quality hamburger patties stand out, ensuring they cook beautifully and taste delicious. To preserve freshness and extend shelf life, the formed patties undergo a process known as flash freezing. This technique involves rapidly freezing the patties at extremely low temperatures. The speed and low temperature are crucial because they prevent the formation of large ice crystals that can damage the meat's cellular structure. By maintaining the integrity of the meat cells, flash freezing ensures that the patties retain their original texture and flavor when thawed and cooked. The flash freezing process begins as soon as the patties are formed. They are placed on conveyor belts that move them through a freezing tunnel. In this tunnel, powerful blasts of cold air freeze the patties almost instantly. This rapid freezing locks in the meat's moisture and natural juices, which are essential for a juicy and flavorful patty. Additionally, flash freezing helps to lock in the original flavors and nutrients, ensuring that the patties taste as fresh as the day they were made. Another significant benefit of flash freezing is that it extends the patty's shelf life without the need for preservatives. This is especially important for maintaining product quality during transportation and storage. By freezing the patties quickly, the risk of bacterial growth is minimized, ensuring that the product remains safe for consumption over a longer period. Flash freezing also plays a vital role in the logistical aspect of hamburger patty production. It allows producers to meet the demands of the market efficiently, providing a steady supply of high-quality patties to retailers and restaurants. This process ensures that when the patties finally reach the consumer, they are in perfect condition, ready to be grilled to perfection. In conclusion, flash freezing is a critical step in maintaining the quality of hamburger patties from the factory to the consumer's grill. It preserves texture, flavor, and nutrients, ensuring a delicious and consistent eating experience every time. The final step in the production process is packaging. The frozen patties are carefully placed into packaging designed to protect them during transport and storage. Packaging is crucial for maintaining the quality and safety of the patties. Each package is sealed to prevent contamination and preserve freshness. Labels are applied, providing important information such as the product name, ingredients, nutritional information, and sell-by date. Proper packaging ensures that the patties remain in perfect condition until they are ready to be cooked. This step also involves rigorous inspections to ensure that the packaging is airtight and free from defects. Any issues here can lead to spoilage and wasted product. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from field to fork. This process combines careful farming practices with modern technology to deliver the juicy, delicious hamburger patties we love. If you want to explore more exciting field to fork stories, watch our next video.